In the month when local authorities celebrate their work and worth in communities and the nation pauses to pay homage to the value and dynamism of young people, the Clarendon Parish Council CPC devised an activity to do both in one go.
We wanted to do some activities that target our growing demographic, our most influential demographic. And we recognize that the youth 25 and under are the chief communication influencers in our community. And so we thought, it's Youth Month, it's Local Government Month, this is our target population, why not devise some other activities that involve them and involve them in a constructive way.
So the CPC staged this inaugural All Clarendon High School debate competition, and it was a huge success. The CPC invited all 22 high schools within its division to share their views of the council's role in the parish in an essay competition. The top 4 schools would be invited to vie for the top spot, that of debating champion. The essay writers and debating teams from Knox College High, Glenmuir High, Central High and Clarendon College emerged as the strongest, and so each earned a place in a series of debates which threw up moods challenging the position of Maypen as the parish's true centre and questioning the value of open spaces in city centres. Glenmuir High School fought hard but placed third. Central High School and Clarendon College took center stage. The battle of words was serious and robust, but very friendly, as the teenagers from the hills sparred with those from the city, whilst the organizers gleaned a whole new perspective on the issues posed to them.
This house believes that green spaces in urban places is a waste of space. Audience, my teammates and I strongly believe that all those who are in total opposition to this mood is wasting precious time.
Green spaces reduce energy consumption by countering the warming effects of paved surfaces. So there we have it. The same green spaces which are considered a waste of space by the proposition is reducing economic cost of businesses as electricity becomes cheaper.
Our 2014 winner of the inaugural CPC All Clarendon High School debate competition is Central High School. The competition success was a complete community effort as sponsors came from within and afforded the top 3 well-needed and well-deserved prizes. Before I delve into our findings, let me just say that the Jamaica Information Service is pleased to be part of this magnanimous event. I'm following your footsteps, my brother. All those words, like auspicious moments. You know, we're all about celebrating our youth and promoting community development. And I'm sure you know the Jamaica Information Service shared in the moment by providing coverage and a chief judge.
It was amazing. The match was very informative. You saw both sides of the mood being clearly explained and clearly defined. You saw the true essence of debating, and you saw the true vigor of competition.
It was a very interesting competition. We had fun. We got to meet new people, saw new faces, and I must commend the Clarendon Parish Council for this initiative. It was well planned and well executed.
We definitely applaud Central High School for their efforts and their win. Good try to Clarendon College. They brought a good team forth, and you can definitely look out for Foga Road next year. I won't be on the team because I'll be graduating, but my successors, they're very capable, and they will be making trouble in the competition.
I think we have infused the youth in local government and community development month in a very constructive way, a way that will keep reaping benefits for months and years to come. And I think that any program that is youth-focused and youth-oriented, we can't go wrong, whether it is a PR strategy or it's a legacy-building strategy, because the youth are the chief communication influencers in the community, and they're uninhibited, they're inhibited, they're not afraid, and they will go out and they'll spread the word if the word is good.